Today we will continue with the fleet object and PRT. So if you go for create special, I will show you the path, logistic, plant maintenance, management of technical object, equipment, and here create special. So here PRT and fleet object. So if you click on fleet object, it will take you IE31. So again, this again internal number. No need to give you. You no need to give the external number. So system will allocate the number, right? So one of the session we will see how the system is allocating the number. So as you see, it start with 1000656. So we will check
Fleet
that
object is
configuration.
only for forklifts and what others?
Yeah, basically, fleet object is which the vehicle are using. Basically, what happens? Some scrap moment is there. Some diesel
Okay.
vehicle is there,
Mhm.
or some carrying vehicle, moving vehicles.
So crane is also come under this or any
Yeah.
don't lift crane.
Correct. So here, car, truck,
So
trailer, vehicle, carpool. So any vehicle you can take as a fleet object. Okay. So I will take a truck here. Okay, vehicle type truck. So here you need to choose F, category as F, vehicle. So just press enter. Okay. So vehicle type truck, authorization group. So who is authorized for its maintenance? Functional head, or we can say as a maintenance. Weight, inventory, size, dimension, startup date. All this data, manufacturer, model number, country, reference data, acquisition value, acquisition date. So when it has comes to our plant, all the details, everything we can update here. Okay, so maintenance plant is 1000. Location, let me select. Okay, it's a press shop. Room, plant section. Room, actually, it's a free text. You can update anything. Plant section. Okay. Work center. ABC indicator. So basically, it has potentially all installs there. Okay. Then we will go to organization. Here we can update. This is account assignment, so it has interlinked with FIT, finance team.
So that is for FI module.
Correct. FI team will update or FI team will give the details. So they can update their asset number, which cost center they will assign to that truck. So whenever this truck has any maintenance, then cost will be captured via this cost center. Planner group, main work center. So this is not that much useful, but it's for knowledge purpose. If in interview anybody asks you how you can create the fleet object, then you should say. Okay. So like basically structure this free fleet object. It will not assign to any functional. It's up to us. We can assign on particular.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. Start with data transfer. It is a moving object. It's not with a single. Okay. Yeah. And serial data, basically, if you see, there is a general material number, serial number. So basically, this data will be used because see, it will be like a not a single truck. There will be
Mhm.
multiple truck are there. So
Okay.
how we can track that truck? Like some in general data, you can give them some serial number or some material inside it. What are the materials? Material description. I will assign some materials to like this. You can assign. It's not a mandatory.
Mhm.
Okay. Others. So if you see, there are some vendor customer data is there, which we need to update for that vehicle. Who is the vendor, or customer code, or customer number, postal code of that vendor, or customer data. When it has delivered this truck to us, all that data you can maintain. Here, which vehicle type, fleet or object number, what is license of that truck, MH 14
Mhm.
or EMS 16, EMS 20, what is validity of that license, VIN number, chassis number, all that for vehicle identification, replacement data, transport relevant. So basically these are related to the truck or forklift or crane, which are moving object, right?
Okay.
Vehicle technology, all the details, engine, engine type, serial, primary fuel, secondary fuel, it's required petrol or diesel, which
Mhm.
oil type is there, like this, all details you can fit. All that's related to the vehicle, trailer road, everything. So you can go there. It's not means not required to dig much on this because it's not using that much. But for understanding, you can go and you can check once, right? So in your company, what are the fleet objects?
It's JLG is there, then boom lifts,
Okay,
forklifts, electrical
okay,
forklifts.
okay, okay. So you can see their details,
Okay.
and you can try to upload that in the system. You can replicate. Let me try to save this. Basically, if you observe, initially while you creating equipment, it will take so much time because
Mhm.
it's updating some tables. At the end of our session, I will show you what are the tables where this data is going to save. Okay. In the background, there are some technical tables are there. The data will be stored on that table. This is split offset. Okay. So after that, we will create one PRT, production resource tool. So it's like production resource tool. It's like a name in equipment category, the production resource tool. So just enter. Okay. So do you now know any tool which are using in the production there?
Tool means for tool, any tool. No?
Yeah, yeah. Okay, calibration gauge, or you can say micrometer, vernier caliper, like this. Because basically it will be required for what I can say. though it is in the production resource tool, but if required any maintenance activity or we need to perform any calibration on it, or little bit some if it's a big gauge, like some industry actually in automobile industry, uh, if the manufacturing components, I think in Tata
Hi.
Motors also, there are some gauges which we can, vehicle diameters, vehicle ID, OD,
Okay.
like this. So all that needs to perform the maintenance on particular frequency. So we can update
Also,
it as
machine dies are also comes under tooling. Or not.
correct. Dies also. Yeah. You can take machine dies also. Correct. So all that you can take. Okay. Object type. Okay, mobile equipment, service equipment, service vehicle, motors, loaders, like this. Okay. Let me check. Okay. Low instrument. Okay. Instruments. Authorization group. Maintenance.
So
Acquisition
why
group.
authorization group is maintenance? Like
Uh, yeah. Basically, we can select our functional header, so no need. It's depend upon the business requirement, because
mm,
authorization group will be
mm,
responsible
mm.
to perform all the activity for this
Okay.
calibration gauge.
Okay. So
So
calibration tool is calibration. It also
gauges,
okay.
yeah, yeah.
And
So it's up to us.
so all this custodian will be authorization group. Custodian of the equipment.
Sorry.
The custodian of the equipment will be authorization group or production
Bas-
guy.
yeah. Basically, authorization group means the group of people or the person who
Mm,
are having authority. Yeah, you can say custodian group, but it's not a mandatory. Basically,
mm.
they will give some other department to
Okay.
use. But again, whatever the activities will be performed on that equipment, it
Mm.
should require the authorization of that department. If they want to scrap it or they need to do some calibration on it, they should ask these people,
Okay.
authorization group. So it will be under them. It's not mandatory that it will be hold with them.
Okay.
They can give to other department also. Okay. Asset, cost center.
Business code 001.
Yeah, this is account assignment, all related to FICO. Basically, these people will maintain that fit, maintain. But for a training purpose, we can update whatever the values available, right?
Mm.
Basically, you will not get authority to update or from PM side. We are not supposed to update this value, but for training purpose, we can update here. And here you will find the responsibility means who. Okay, see, cost center is deactivated. So okay, I will give that planning plant. So the plant which will perform the planning activity, planner group, who will the work center. Okay, structure. I will assign. Okay, yeah. See here you will find the functional location field is disabled. Means it will not be. We cannot assign the PRT to the functional location. We can assign it to subordinate equipment. Okay, so we have created an equipment. Okay, different plants not permitted with equipment hierarchy. So I think, okay, chip, it's telling it's a different plant. Okay, no, it's sales and distribution, PRT. Okay, so here in production resource tool data, you will find this is the different tab where we can update the PRT data. So task list usage. Basically, here you will see there are different types of task list is there. So
Mhm.
basically, if you select all maintenance type task list, then you can use any all type of task list for this calibration gauge.
Okay.
So in next or two after 2 to 3 session, I will show you how we can create the task list. Task list is nothing but the operations sequence which we will use for maintenance.
Okay.
Okay, so I will save this data. Okay, then some more keys are there like a serial number, serial data, warranties, customer warranty, vendor warranty, configuration. So basically all these fields are not mandatory, but if you have data, you can upload here. So I will save this. We have created one. So I think yesterday I have shown you one T course IH08 where you
Mm.
can find all equipment.
Okay.
So period. Let me click something.
From the 2020.
In so much data. Let me
From
like
2020.
this. Okay. But basically, we have already given date to date, but it's reaching the display equipment.
All the
Yeah. So basically, this is the sandbox. So in a real time, if you enter that date, it will fetch only the
Mhm.
equipments with that particular date. Okay. Yeah. Here one you will find created by. So if I given my name, let me, yeah, 35 created by, and I display, see, whatever the equipment I created, it will display only that. So do you know your username in SAP?
Yes.
Correct. So once you go, you just uh, yeah, but don't have authority, right?
No,
To
no, I
create
don't
or
have. No.
okay, okay. So we can see how many equipments we have created, valid to location, system status, catalog profile. So let's start with serial number.